Limitation of DOS. First, DOS is a single user operating system. Second, under DOS you can load only single application into memory at a time. Third, DOS support only one user and single processor. Fourth, DOS was designed to recognize only 64 KB of RAM. Fifth, DOS cannot handle large amount of RAM. Sixth, hardware is difficult to install and configure under DOS. Seventh, DOS file name are limited to 8 characters and 3 characters of extension name. Concept of files and directories. First, a file is an organized collection of information. Second, it is the primary unit by which information is started the computer system. Third, a file enables MS-DOS to understand or differentiate between collection of information with each other. Types of file. First, data file. Second, program file. Rules for naming a file. There are two types of file. First, a primary name can have maximum of 8 characters. Second, extension name can have maximum of 3 characters. Third, a file name valid even though it has no extension. Fourth, a file name can organize with the following characters: alphabet A to Z, number 0 to 9, special characters, big bracket, open, @ and small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket closed. Component of file naming: primary name, command, extension name, .com. File name: text file, extension name txt, program file, extension name prg, library file .lib, command file .com, batch file .bat, system file .sys, executable file .exe, database file .dbm. ये सब एक्सटेंशन नेम है डॉट के साथ. Directory. A directory is location for sorting files on your computer. First directories are followed in hierarchical file system such as MS-DOS, Linux and Unix. Second, directory command is used to see the current files and directories. Root directory, the top level of the structure is called root directory. Subdirectory, each branch of root directory is called subdirectory. Booting, the process of storing the computer is called booting. During the booting process, computer load operating system into its input-output system files, MS-DOS files, command-com files. Types of booting. There are two types of booting process. First, cold booting. Second, warm booting. Cold booting. First, when the user starts the system from powering on the system with CPU and UPS, then it is technology called as cold booting. Second, warm booting. When the system hangs between the working, then warm booting is done by pressing Ctrl plus Del key.